Okay, let's solve the problem. Ask the ChatGPT, give me the solution. Oh, I see. There is the path issue with it. Let's solve this issue. I am going to show it my correct path. Then it will be solve the problem, I think. So let's do it. I tell the correct path. Let's see what it will answer. Okay, it's give me the answer. And it now what is my correct path. So it gives me the code. Okay, let's see how we can solve the problem. Okay, it solved the problem. It's make also cache file. Okay, let's run the next cell with this code. Okay, it's run easily. Let's run this. Okay. Oh, there is the problem with the path again. There is the problem with the path. Okay, let's solve it. Okay, let's go to the ChatGPT again and solve the problem. Okay, paste it here. Let's see what it answer. Oh, oh, I need to paste this error, not the path. Okay. Okay, it answered me. We need to up to date path code. Let's up to date the path code. Okay, I up to date the path. Let's see what it's. Oh, it again give me the error. Oh, I see. What is the error? Let go to the solve the error. The error is the we not import the pandas. Let oh as pandas SPD we need to import. Okay, let's see. Oh, again it give me the error. Okay, let's solve this error. We need to take the error and go to the ChatGPT. I solve the error with this code. Now this time it is working. So let we need to run the next code. First we need to check the head of this dataset. Okay, I see. Let now copy this code and paste it here. Let's see. I want to see more rows. Let check the more rows, but it's not showing. Let we need to write the there 10 rows. Okay, it is showing 10 rows. Okay, let's see the 20 rows. It's not showing. Let's see the def.info. Okay, oh, it's 72 rows and 7 columns. This is not original dataset, I think. So we need to paste the original dataset in this folder. Let's copy the original dataset and paste in this folder. Okay, but it replacing the file. We not want to replace the file. Let copy. Let change this file name. Then we'll paste there. Okay, I paste it there and let import the dataset there. Before we continue this video, I have a request for you. Please subscribe my channel and set notification on all, and also like this video, and thanks for watching. Let's check df.info. There are many rows and many columns. Okay, let's see the first dataset again. I have imported the both datasets provided by ChatGPT and the original dataset. Check the difference, but we also need the tell about the original dataset to the ChatGPT. then it will give the right code we will use to train the model. Okay. Now I am going to telling about the both dataset. Then we will see what it responds. Okay, I tell the about both dataset, um, but it not now the full names of the columns, because in df.info there are not showing the full names. Now we need to tell the names of the columns. Okay. Okay, now this time the ChatGPT now about the data set.